I'm Carolyn. I'm the Marketing Director for Aquent in Australia. We recently engaged Chris Melotti of Melotti Media to train our team on how to be better copywriters, from building your online brand to writing job ads that stand out to writing insights that are authentic, that where you have an opinion, you can make a stand and stand out from everybody else. Chris was amazing when he consulted us about the training. He listened to all our feedback and he came up with some fantastic presentations for his training. The team absolutely loved it. You could see them smiling and nodding along, and they asked heaps of questions. They were super inspired, and we're really looking forward to standing out as a team, but also as individuals. So thanks, Chris. The training was fantastic.